Today on Greenmoxie, we're on the road and we are in Newfoundland, Canada, where we are getting ready to cook lobster on the campfire. So here we have our feeder fire on the right. That's going to be what makes our coals for our cooking fire here on the left. So once you are ready with a good bed of coals, you can put the lobster straight on the coals on its belly. One of the things you need to do is crack the claws, and the reason for that is pressure can build up in the claw and it can explode when it's on the fire. We're not going to cut our lobsters open because we want them to keep all those juices inside. So plop the lobster straight on when your bed of coals is ready. You want to cook it face down first, and then we'll turn it on its back, cut it open, and baste it with garlic butter.